My name is Rosita Wati binti Muhammad, and my group members is Izzatul Husna binti Azman, Muhammad Najmi bin Abdul Nasir, and Muhammad Azrul Izzat bin Abdul Aziz. IC packaging, also known as integrated circuit packaging, and can be referred literally to the material that contains a semiconductor device. The package is a case that surrounds the circuit material to protect it from corrosion or physical damage and to allow for mounting of the electrical contact connecting it to the PCB.
So here is IC fabrication process. It has a 7 process of fabrication IC. So firstly, lithography. A lithography is a defined a pattern wherein a photoresist material is uniformly applied on the wafer surface and then back to harden. Later, light is projected through a reticle containing mask information and it is selectively removed. Secondly, etching. The unwanted material are removed from the surface of the wafer. Thirdly, deposition. By the method of physical wafer deposition and chemical wafer deposition, a material are applied on the wafer. Fourth, chemical mechanical polishing is a polymerization technique by applying a chemical slurry which etchant agent to the wafer surface. Fifth, oxidation. Oxidation is in the oxidation process oxygen or dry oxidation or HO is wet oxidation. Molecules convert silicon layer on top of the wafer to silicon the outside. 6. Ion implantation. It is the most widely used technique to introduce dopants impurities into the semiconductor. The ion particles are accelerated through an electrical field and target at the semiconductor wafer and is largely diffusion. A diffusion is step following ion implantation is used to enable bombardment, induce lattice and defense.
IC packaging divided to two types based on how they are mounted on the circuit. First is through hole mount package. This through hole mount package designed in a way that the lead pins are stuck through one side of the board and soldered on the other side. It is also bigger in size as compared to the others and came in ceramic and plastic types. Through hole mount package is best used for high reliability products that require stronger connection between layers. Second type is surface mount package. Surface mount package follows the technology of mounting, or in other name, placing the component directly on the printed circuit board surface. But this type of IC packaging can increase the chance of defects due to the miniaturization of components and also because they are mounted extremely close to each other. As for the next slide, we can see there are some examples for these two types of IC packaging. Through hole mount package, IC packaging, surface mount package, IC packaging.
In this presentation, I will explain about how electronic and appliances or electronic machines that are applied in digital electronic technology. First is remote control. As you know, today remote control devices are usually based upon one of two main types of technology: infrared technology or radio frequency technology, and IR remote, which is infrared technology, additionally called a transmitter, utilizes light to convey signal from the remote to the gadget it controls. Next is a digital stopwatch. A digital stopwatch can be a circuit that are displaying the actual time in minutes, hour, and second, or in circuit displaying the number of clock pulses. It uses like a logic circuit. In digital electronic computer, a digital computer is a computer machine which is both an electronic computer and digital computer. A computerized electronic PC isn't really a transistorized PC. Like before the coming of the transistor, PC utilized vacuum tubes. The transistor empower electronic PC to turn out to be considered more impressive, and later and the future advancement in computerized hardware may empower humankind to assemble significantly increasing incredibly electronic PC. For exercise which you can try out on your own is like first question, what do you know about IC packaging? What is the relation of this process, which is IC packaging, to digital electronic technology? Second question is, what are companies in the world of Malaysia that do the IC packaging? Name at least two companies. Third, what are the applications that use IC packaging, and why are the benefits of using them?